Thank you.
Ang meron dyan?
Ano po? Strapping lang po, and ito pong passport is mga games po and may photo po.
Yan.
Ang nakalalagyan na tinitigan lang kami. Please na lang po. May staff pa. Norris, replacement po as nakayatan po silang dalawa.
Yeah, sure.
Thank you, enjoy po kayo.
Yeah. Hey! Thank you.
Huwag mo mo lahat ng pamaypay. Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. Are you ready for the biggest thank you shout out of KFC to its loyal fans for 30 years? Ready na ba kayo? Pwede mo makarinig ng energy from MOA Concert Ground! And syempre, I would like to officially welcome everybody to KFC Kentucky Town Music and Arts Festival!
Are you ready for some bigger looking good fun? Welcome to KFC Kentucky Town Music and Arts Festival. Bands, hitmakers, P-pop. The best of OPM in one epic event. Get hyped as KFC presents Zach the Budlo, Adi, Ron Carter, Rob Daniel, Nobita, Kaya, Jenny Edgar. Let's go! Nothing hits like KFC. KFC Kentucky Town Music and Arts Festival.
This group takes inspiration from their inner character and the strength they find in overcoming challenges. Ladies and gentlemen, they are Kaya!
Sony Music Philippines, and we officially debuted on April 8th, 20. Treat you like a friend, respect you like a lover. You be the cash, I'll be the rubber band. You be the mask, I'll be the fuse. Cool hater, baby, you could be the muse. I'm the reporter, baby, you could be the news. It's your cigarette, and I'm the smoke cat. You way so dead, cause you're the joke cat. So you are a joke, and I could be the backboard, and you could be the top. And I could be the one, even when the sky goes falling, even when the sun don't shine. I got faith in you and that, so put your pretty little head in mine. Even when we're down to the wire, babe, even when it's you and I, we can do it, baby, simple and plain. Cause it's a love, it's a show, babe. You can go down. Hey, mom, you can bet that never got us hey. You could be the lover, I'll be the fighter, baby. I'm the bomb, you could be the lighter, baby. Fire up, rider, baby, it could be the killer. And from the lyric, baby, it could be the love. Before that, say I'm sinner, rise up the winner when it's you. What can I do to deserve that? Baby, baby, I'll be the fan. Say that I'm the one, cause you were a 10. Number 10. You the one that's high in the sun. So the shine. I gotta pay it to you that. So put your pretty little hands in mine. Baby, go right down to the wire. Baby, let us suicide. We can do it, baby, simple and play. Cause if the love is a sure thing. Rock with me, baby. Let me hold you in my arms, stop till they beg. Rock with me, baby. Let me hold you in my arms, stop till they beg. I fall in love every single time I look into your eyes. Those eyes, you never die. I can feel your body so hard when you're not around again. Been thinking how long can the ways have you around? I wanna make you spend the whole day with me, boy. Play it, let me enjoy it more. You still enjoy. Hoping this gonna last longer forever. I gotta be whatsoever. You're my one and only lover. Don't die someday twice. You think I can leave you right now? You in it, you can better never sweat. You know what the best thing. Ready or not, I'm gonna have you by the night. I call the shots, won't you be my kryptonite? Love you like a brother, yeah. Treat you like a friend, respect you like a lover. Oh, 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 oh. Ayan, nag-enjoy po ba kayo lahat? Yes! Grabe, no? Ang saya-saya na makita po kayong lahat dito. At syempre,
Hindi pa nagtatapos ang performances namin. So for our next song, this is one of our singles. This is 5, 6, 7, 8.
let's go! Let's go! Hey! Ang sila na ba ang walang paligid? Bakit layo ka na nagkata? Hinang malalim lahat tatahaki. Hindi na ako malihan. Lagi ko na mga bulungan niyo. Ang wala ko, kasi sinisiguro. Di ang mahuli, huwag ang tuliro. I'll never ever gonna need you. Yeah, so finally, di kayang ako'y mahituin. No, no, we go, we go, we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's go. What you gotta do? That was 5, 6, 7. Tingin kayo sa kaliwa.
Ay, kaliwa pa lang.
Dalawa.
Madali lang aminin ko, so minsan ay namabaliwala ang pusong ko. Pero kapag sa'yo ako'y nalilito, sana hindi ka mailang kapag sinabi ko. Meron akong tinatawang patingin ng dati pa naman, ngayon ko nalaman na buong buo na siguradong lagi ka. Kung gustuhin makasama ulit, pwede ba? Kung sasabihin ang aking damdamin, pangako sana hindi ka mawawala. Huwag kang maalis o dahil kahit merong konting bagay, di magbabago. Tayong dalawa, na tayong dalawa. Walang magbabago sa ating dalawa, dalawa. Walang magbabago sa ating dalawa, dalawa. Tuwing ika'y nakakasama mo sa pag-isipan ko, hindi nakikisama. Sasabihin ko pa ba? Hindi ko malaman kung itutuloy o na lang kaya. Pagkalugan na lang, pagkabukas di mo na akong pansinin. Later you might even touch to your friends. No, I'm not thinking all about it again. Meron akong tinatawang pagtingin mo, dati pa naman, ngayon ko lang nalaman na buong buo na sigurado. Lagi ka gugustuhin mong kasama, ngunit pwede na ba? Kung sasabihin ang aking damdamin, pangako mo sana di ka mawawala. Huwag kang naalis o dahil kahit meron konting patingin, hindi magbabago. Tayong dalawa, tayong dalawa. Walang magbabago sa ating dalawa, dalawa. Walang magbabago sa ating dalawa, dalawa. Ituloy ang pag-amin sa'yo, sinta. Kung ano meron ngayon sa atin, sinusubukan kong ito'y hindi mo
I love you, Kaya!
Ayan, nakaamin na po ba kayo?
Walang aamingan!
Ayan, so Alexa, alam mo yung sasabihin ka ngayon. Alam mo
Yes, guys, na-enjoy nyo ba yung music namin?
Yes!
If you're enjoying our music, you can listen to it on Spotify, Apple Music, YouTube Music, and Dome Music digital streaming platforms.
And kaka-release lang po namin ng music video ng You Did It! And you can check it out on our social media accounts. We have Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. It's Kaya Official PH, and Kaya Memories. Yes, and sadly, ito na po. Ito na.
Pagdagat sila pag nanalamin, mga nabutan na nag-aabang ng babagsakin. Paninig ko na akala nila kayo kurahin. Sa'kin humarap ka ng today. Hindi naman namin kinilat. Meron palang daang merilat. Hindi umiikat siya, hindi umiikat sa dera.
Let's go, let's go! Hindi naman namin pinilit. Meron palang daang merilat. Hindi umiiyak siya, hindi umiiyak siya. Sila na nakatingin, lahat na nabagain. Wala rin, ito yung hanapin. Sila na nakatingin, hindi pa nabagain. Wala rin. Nakikinig sa mga kasinungalingan mo. Let's go, Charlotte!
Hindi makikinig sa kasinungalingan mo. You didn't mean it, but you did. Meron palang daang merilat. You didn't mean it, but you did. Nakakayahan rin, sila na nakatingin. Kahit na nabagain, banggain. Nakakayahan rin, sila na nakatingin. Kahit na nabagain, you really did.
Let's go, Kaya!
Yes, and of course,
Hey!
before we exit the stage, can we have a picture with you guys?
Siyempre naman!
Go! Let's go, let's go! Okay, everyone say, KFC! One more time. Thank you so much! Thank you, everyone!
What's up, everyone? Hey! May bahagin para parang may wahanap ka. Sinatanggalan ng pala, bakit di ka pa natagala? Ang tulad mo ay ibang hindi ko sa patinabaliwala. Pero di ako tirahan ng sinasayang habang ako dito'y naghihintay. Lamang dahil ang maiinintay habang nasa gitna ako nahihibang dahil aking nag-iisang mahalahi. Ay mapagbigyan sa tayo, hindi na makagdan. Nakambili, ako na yung latan. Sinusubangin batala, ako ay di masasawa. Mahalay, ay mapagbigyan. Kung sakali, hindi mo ay makagdan. Nakambili, ako na yung latan. Sinusubangin batala, ako ay di masasawa. Mahalay, aming mga laban. Goodbye.
hindi nawawala kagabi. Di ko hayaang manatili ang takot sa aking isip. Tumatagang puso dahil kasama ko ang dami mong naya. Kalasahan ka matagal din naging hanga. Kung saan hinanap ang pagmama, pero walang magtatagal. Ako siya ang sarili, pero wala rin nangyari.